Remember flying cars and robot butlers from sci-fi movies? Well, guess what? Artificial intelligence, AI, is making that future a reality, right now. Today, we're diving into the AI revolution, exploring how it's transforming industries and impacting our lives in amazing ways. Buckle up, it's going to be a mind-blowing ride. From fiction to function, understanding AI. AI isn't a magic machine or a sentient robot, yet. It's a collection of technologies that enable machines to learn, analyze data, and make decisions. Think of it as superpowered intelligence, not human-like robots. The AI impact, transforming industries one by one. Healthcare, AI doctors analyzing medical images, robots performing surgery with precision, chatbots offering personalized health advice. Manufacturing, robots assembling cars with superhuman speed, AI predicting machine failures for preventive maintenance, optimizing production lines for efficiency. Retail, personalized recommendations based on shopping habits, chatbots answering customer questions 24/7, AI-powered fraud detection protecting online transactions. Finance, algorithmic trading making lightning-fast decisions, AI analyzing financial data for risk prediction, automated customer service for faster solutions. Remember, AI isn't replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. As tasks become automated, new opportunities arise in areas like AI development, data analysis, and human-machine collaboration. The benefits of AI. Why embrace the revolution? Efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic work. Accuracy. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, leading to better decision-making and fewer errors. Innovation. AI accelerates research and development, leading to faster breakthroughs and new technologies. Personalization. AI tailors experiences based on individual preferences, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's crucial to develop AI responsibly and ethically, ensuring it benefits everyone. The future of AI, collaborating with our intelligent assistants. AI is not here to replace us, but to collaborate with us. Imagine doctors using AI for diagnosis while providing compassionate care, engineers using AI to design sustainable cities, and artists using AI to create groundbreaking works. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands. By understanding its potential, shaping its development ethically, and embracing its collaborative power, we can build a world where AI empowers us to achieve incredible things. Are you ready to join the AI revolution? The future is knocking, and it's powered by intelligence, collaboration, and a shared vision for a better world. Share this knowledge, explore the possibilities, and let's work together to build a future where AI makes us, well, even more human.